Right about now, if you look at your to-do list, it's pretty easy to freak out. I mean, with the holidays just around the corner, there seems to be so much to do and so little time to do it. So let me share with you a dinner favorite that's super easy and fill you up good where your slow cooker does all the work. All we do is coat a couple pounds of chicken drumsticks with, get this, the seasoning that comes in a box of long grain and wild rice mix. After they're coated, we brown them in a hot skillet until they're golden. Now we dump the box of rice and the rest of the seasoning mix in a slow cooker along with a good amount of water, a can of cream of chicken soup, a splash of white wine or chicken broth, and a bit of salt and pepper. After giving that a quick mix, we put the chicken on top, cover it, and set it to low. That'll give you plenty of time to run a few errands, wrap some gifts, or maybe bake a batch of Christmas cookies. Come dinner time, everyone will come running because this smells so darn good. And although it's simple, it's one of those meals that you'll want to add to your weekly dinner routine. So go online and get the recipe for our creamy chicken and rice, which is not only comfort perfect, it will allow you the time to check a few things off your to-do list. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty time-saving way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.